Here's how to install the Sonos Play 3 tilt and swivel mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 wall anchors, 2 wall screws, 2 screw caps, 1 mounting nut, 1 mounting bolt, 1 wrench, 1 wall bracket, 1 mounting arm. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now, let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then, mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. Here's how to drill on a drywall. Use 5/16 inch drywall drill bits with 1 3/8 inches drill depth, marked by tape. Then drill the holes, stopping at the marked depth. After drilling, insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's move on to drilling on wood stud plyboard. Use a 1/8 inch wood drill bit with a drill depth of 1 3/4 inch, marked by tape. Start drilling the holes, stopping at the marked depth. No wall anchors are needed for this, as the wood studs will serve as support for the wall screws. Lastly, this is how to drill on a concrete wall. For this one, we'll use a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit with 1 3/8 inches drill depth. Drill the wall to the marked depth. And like with the drywall, we'll need to insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and speaker. First, screw the wall bracket in place using the provided wall screws. After that, cover the screws with the provided screw caps. Next, attach the mounting arm to the speaker. Then, lock it in place with the provided mounting bolt. Next, connect the power cable to the speaker. This section of the wall mount has 2 small pins, one threaded and one smooth, that attaches to the wall-mounted portion. It attaches to a part with 4 holes. Use the horizontal pair for horizontal installation and the vertical pair for vertical installation. Now, attach the mounting arm to the wall bracket. Then, lock it in place with the mounting nut. You can rotate the speaker to mount it vertically. Then lock it in place with the mounting nut. You can swivel your speaker to your preferred angle at this point. Tighten the screw on the wall bracket to lock the angle. Next, tilt the speaker to your preferred angle. Tighten the screw on the side of the wall bracket to lock the angle, and you're done.